Hey there! So I just got this package today which should have the D2 Charlie from Garmin. As you can see, I have the D2 Bravo and it's been a very good watch, but there were some drawbacks, like, you know, the map not being very complete. But now, D2 Charlie. So it's a little box, not that big. Let's see what's inside. Okay. You have the watch. So the bracelet looks quite different to the old one. You can see here the stitches, and here there's no stitches. But here there's the Garmin mark, the triangle. Here no triangle. So, what else do you have in the box? Not much actually. You have a nice bracelet. It looks much better than the older plastic one. And more importantly, it's equipped with the quick in, quick out. So that's going to be very handy if you have to change bracelet real quick, like every day. So that's just the USB cable. Ooh, it's quite different. Let's have a look. And then you have the manual, the free 6-month Garmin piloting. Okay. So now this goes like that, looks like. That's it. It goes both ways. Interesting. Well, that's pretty cool. D2 Charlie. They really look similar. But the D2 Charlie seems to be slightly taller than the D2 Bravo, like 2 millimeters. Definitely. Anyways, there you have it. And that's it, nothing else in the box, nothing else. Just those things.